Now, we're going to discuss the last part of your chapter 4, 4.3, integration of inverse trigonometry function. Okay, so let us look at, actually, we only have three different formulas. Okay, so integrate dx over a square minus x square, you will get sine inverse. Okay, and the one without square root will become tangent inverse. The one with x and x square, it will become secant. And remember, this is a square minus x square. Okay, and this is a plus. Okay, this is a plus. This one is a minus. Okay, and is x square minus a square. You need to have exactly the same arrangement of plus minus. Okay, especially the one sit inside the set. Okay, so let us look at the first one, example 15. Integrate 1 over set. Okay, when we have 1 over set without x at the side. Okay, and this is an x square, so directly we can notice is a sine inverse. So if you compare these two, what is the difference is, okay, compare terms by terms, minus x square, take. Now I have an a square equals to 16, so my a equals to 4. Okay, so now directly you can just write here. Okay, so now I can say my a equals to 4. Okay, so what I do is write sine inverse x over 4 plus c. Settled. Okay, then the second equation, if you look at here, the difference between this one and this one. Okay, the up is same 1. Okay, this is already 4 square, and then you already have b. But this one is a 9 square, 9x square. And your equation is a square plus x square. So you need to change your 9x square to become x square, so you can use this formula. So how you want to do it? Okay, for very simple way is just factor out our 9 out. Okay, so means that I have integrate 1 over 4 square plus 9x square. This is my question. So I want to kill off my 9. So by factoring out 9. So 9. So this one will become 4 square over 9 plus x square. Okay, we factoring our 9 out. So dx, nothing changed. So now this one is already settled, is same as x square. So now my a is already changed. I have a 4 square over 9, or I have a 4 square over 3 square, or it is a 4 over 3 square. Okay, so 9 is a coefficient you can put outside. 1 over 9. Okay, remember when you want to integrate kx dx, our k is a coefficient, can take out. So k integrate x dx. Okay, so bring out our 1 over 9. 1 over 2 over 3 square plus x square dx. So from here, I can tell you my a is 2 over 3. So follow back what is the answer? 1 over a. A is 2 over 3, so it's 2 over 3. Tangent inverse. X is x. A is 2 over 3 plus c. Okay, as I said, we never allow our fraction with 3 different layers, so flip it. So 3 over 2 tangent inverse 3x over 2 plus c. Settled. Okay, okay, now, and then the next one over here. Okay, so if you see that there is an x outside here, then if you have the x squared minus something, so if our secant, so and fortunately this x is the same, x squared also same, now is our a. Okay, because we too comfortable with a squared equals to 16 or a squared equals to 25, then we say this is a 4 square, this is a 5 square. Okay, it is nothing wrong when our a squared equals to 3, so means that your a actually is 3. So just take this one, our a equals to sub 3. So follow exactly the formula. So it's equals to 1 over sub 3. Second inverse, okay, is an absolute. So absolute x over sub 3 plus c. Okay, settle. So how about this one? Okay, this one also like the previous one. Our first one, this one is not the square. Okay, it's not the x square. So same thing, factor out. Okay, so but a little bit be careful with the factorization, because okay, first I just factor out 4 out first. So x squared minus 9 over 4. Okay, then this is my dx. Okay, and then remember this one actually is sub AB. So I can separate it to become sub A multiple sub B. So integrate 1 over x sub 4 sub x squared minus 9 over 4 dx. Okay, this sub 4 actually is 2. So you can write 1 over 2 integrate 1 over x sub x squared minus 3 over 2 square dx. Remember that one thing, because when why it is a little bit different compared with the previous one. The previous one is a tangent without a square root, so you can simply just factor it out without worrying the surd. But this one, you have a surd, so please be careful. If not, later on you'll be having the problems for the surd. Okay, because sometimes some people just factor out 4, they never consider the surd, they will just put 4 here, then you will get your answer wrong. So it is 1 over 2, so this one is a 1 over 2, and then our a, from here our a actually is 3 over 2, so our a is 1 over 3 over 2. Second inverse, x is an x, so this is 3 over 2 plus c, and revert back since this one can cancel, so it's 1 over 3. Second inverse absolute 2x over 3 plus c.